Starting with skincare, I'm using the Pond's Light Moisturizer and applying it all over my face. This is really light and absorbs into the skin well, and I'll just let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. And moving on, next I like to go with the eyebrows, so I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow in the shade dark brown, which also comes with a pulley. So first I like to outline the brows, giving them some definition, and I'm being very light, and later on I'll fill in the gaps with small strokes. You can see the difference in the brows now. So moving on, I'll apply the foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310 just under my eyes and on the eyelids. I like to apply just 2 to 3 dots and blend it with the fingers. Next, I like to set my face using Maybelline Super Fresh Compact in the shade Shell. I'm using a fluffy brush to set my under eyes and my whole face. This is a very easy way of giving your face a light coverage. I think this is enough for college, and yeah. I like to make wing eyeliner for every day, so I'm using the Lakme Insta eyeliner and making a small wing. So next I'm moving with the lips. I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. I think this is the beautiful nude I have ever got. It has this beautiful blend of brown and pink. I think you should definitely try this liquid lipstick, and it doesn't dry up. Next, I like to slightly highlight my face, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petal. I'm just highlighting my cheekbone with very little highlighter. This step is optional. You can just skip it if you think it's too much. And yeah guys, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys like this super easy look for college, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.